Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us do one of the famous Kerala dish, Ada Pradaman, and we are going to prepare the Ada freshly. So I am going to take half a cup of rice flour. To this add a quarter teaspoon of salt. Now start adding water little by little and make a smooth batter. It should not be runny and not so thick. It has to be like this. This is perfect. Next, take some banana leaves. Spread the batter on the banana leaf. Roll it like this and tie it with the banana leaf. Make sure you're not rolling it too tight. Our leaves are ready to be cooked now. Now boil some water in a pan, and once it starts boiling, bring it to low flame and add the leaves. And we are going to cook this in a medium flame for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is ready, we can take it out. The ada is ready, take it out from the leaf carefully. Collect all the ada and chop them finely. Next we'll move on and do our payasam part. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan. To this add around 10 cashews and about 20 raisins. Fry them well. This is ready, take it out and set aside. And in the remaining ghee, add about 1.5 cups of milk. This is already boiled milk. And half a cup of condensed milk. Next I am going to add quarter cup of sugar, but you can adjust this according to your taste because condensed milk will also have sweetness. Crush 2 cardamom and add into this. This will give you a nice flavor. Now the sugar has to get completely dissolved. Once the sugar is dissolved, add the ada. Let this boil for another 2 to 3 minutes. This is ready, we can take it out of the flame, and now we are going to add the fried cashews and raisins. This is an absolutely delicious kheer or payasam. So our Ada Pradaman is ready. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.